Hello everyone and welcome back again to our channel. And for this video, we are going to talk about the skill stack that makes VAs irreplaceable to their clients. There are VAs who get replaced after 3 months and VAs who get kept after 3 years. The difference almost never comes down to talent. It comes down to a specific combination of skills, a stack, that makes them genuinely difficult to let go. In this video, I am going to show you exactly what that stack looks like and how to build it deliberately from beginning of your career. The Irreplaceable VA skill stack has three layers. Layer 1 is your technical skill, the specific thing you can deliver, direct business value. Layer 2 is communication skill, not just speaking English well, but the specific communication behaviors that makes clients trust you. And layer 3 is system skill, the ability to document and repeat your processes in a way that makes your work reliable and transferable. Most VAs focus only on layer 1. The ones who build all three are the ones who build careers. For technical skills, the market has a clear hierarchy in 2025 to 2026. AI assisted admin using tools like Claude, ChatGPT, and Notion AI to work faster and smarter. It is the fastest growing category with the clearest rate premium. Executive assistant, supporting, and bookkeeping are consistently high demand with strong long term retention. Social media management and e commerce operations are accessible entry points with real ceiling potential. Data entry and research are the gateway. Start there if you need it, but specialize out as quickly as possible. Layer 2, communication, is where most VAs underinvest because they assume it comes naturally. It doesn't. The specific behaviors that builds client trust, proactive end of day updates, what you completed, what's in progress, and what's next, without being asked. Early flagging of potential issues, not I couldn't do it, but I noticed this problem, and here are two ways to address it. Consistent response time within your stated window, and a professional tone that is concise and never passive aggressive. Layer 3 is one that surprises most clients when they experience it. A VA who documents their processes is genuinely difficult to replace quickly because replacing them means months of rebuilding institutional knowledge. Start documenting from week 1, even a simple Google Doc that says how I process this client's weekly inbox is a layer 3 investment. Clients notice it. It signals professional maturity in a way that very few VAs demonstrate early in their career. Technical skills gets you hired. Communication skills gets you retained. System skill makes you irreplaceable. So build all three in order, and your career trajectory will look very different from the average VA. Keep learning and keep growing, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Remote VA Institute, for more videos. See you in the next one.